In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to plan and schedule an Instagram feed using Canva. First, open Canva in your browser. If you're already logged in, you'll land on your homepage. If not, sign in so you can save your work as you go. On the top right, click Create a Design, then choose Instagram Post. This sets up a canvas at the correct size for a square Instagram post, so everything you build will display crisply without cropping. Before you start designing, decide how many posts you want to plan for your feed. Think about what you want to publish over the next few days or weeks, and consider groups of 3 if you like previewing your grid by rows. With that number in mind, use the plus Add Page button at the bottom of the editor to create one page for each post. Each page acts like a placeholder for a single slot in your feed. Now, design each page with your images, text, colors, and branding elements. Keep a consistent color palette and font pairing so your feed feels cohesive. You can drag photos from the Uploads panel or choose from Canva's library, then layer in headlines, captions, and logos. If you need a faster workflow, duplicate a finished page and swap out the content to maintain alignment. Use guides and spacing to keep margins even, and preview periodically to make sure everything reads well on mobile. When you have multiple pages ready, rearrange them by dragging the page thumbnails up or down on the left. This is a great way to visualize the flow of your feed and ensure neighboring posts complement each other in color and tone. When you're happy with the lineup, click Share, choose Social, and then Schedule. Canva's scheduler will open. Connect your Instagram account by following the prompts so Canva can publish on your behalf. With the connection in place, select the date and time for each post. Double-check the time zone and spacing between posts so your audience isn't overwhelmed. Finally, click Schedule Post to automate your posting. If you're not scheduling, you can still export everything for manual posting. Click Share, then Download, and choose PNG or JPG to save your images. PNG is great for graphics and text, while JPG often works well for photos. Download all pages and then upload the images to Instagram in the order you planned. And that's it. You've created, organized, and scheduled a polished Instagram feed using Canva with the flexibility to automate or post manually, whatever fits your workflow.